Hello.
Hi, Ms. Arnold, your case has
Yes.
been rescheduled into courtroom 533. So if you would please zoom into courtroom 533.
533.
Yes.
Um,
Do you need
how do
to
I do
zoom?
that?
All right, you're going to do it just like you did for this courtroom, but it has a different Zoom number. Okay. You ready?
Okay. Hold on. Let me get it in pen. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. 360
Mm-hmm.
533
Mm-hmm.
0000. Wait a minute. Let me make sure. I lost it. Yes, it is set for 1:30 today in courtroom 533.
Okay.
So 360 533 0000. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Good luck. Take care.
Okay.
Oh, that's going to be a hoot. Good afternoon, Ariana Adams. If you can hear me, will you open your microphone and say hi?
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, pretty good. Mr. Adams, yours is a relatively common name. Do you have a middle name?
Lamar.
All right, let me see if I can find your ticket. Hold on. It's Lamar.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. That'll shorten my, okay, there we go. And is there any possibility that you have the ticket number with you?
I have SP 93 50 501.
Yes, I'm looking at it. Hold on. Let me see if you're in the right place. Okay. Oh, wait. Mr. Adams, it appears that that particular ticket has already been adjudicated and you owe $198. Is that your understanding of the ticket?
Oh, no, I didn't know that.
Okay,
No, sir.
apparently.
Mr. Adams is in the right place. He's on our docket for this afternoon.
Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. The 130. I was looking at 135. I see it. Thanks for. Okay, Mr. Adams, that's okay. We're going to take care of you. Just stay here and be patient.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Mr. Daniel, I put the people in a breakout room number 1.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna send you there too.
Great.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, are we ready to get started? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Have you had an opportunity to speak with the prosecuting attorney?
Not as yet, Your Honor.
You have to go put on the shirt. Mr. Adams, go put on the shirt. I'm sorry, Mr. Farina, did you get an opportunity to speak with the prosecuting attorney?
Not as yet, Your Honor. We're ready. My
Oh,
client's with me.
Do you need to speak with the prosecuting attorney?
I probably do, Judge, yes.
Okay, Ms. Wilson, Ms. Mack, Attorney
I will
Elder.
reach out to- I'm sorry, Judge. I would reach out to Mr. Rosenthal right now.
Okay, wonderful. Let him know my docket was scheduled for 1:35. 1:30 and
Yes, ma'am.
1:35.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much. All right, and then Attorney Elder, good afternoon to you. Do you need to speak with the prosecutor as well?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, I'd like to speak with him
Okay, wonderful. Let's get him
or her.
on. Yes, Mr. Rosenthal is usually our assigned prosecutor. So let's get him on. Let me get, Mr. Farina, what is your client's name? Unmute for me.
The Al-Bakhiti. First name Ahmed.
All right, thank you. And you only have one case today?
Yes, Judge.
Wonderful. And then Attorney Elder, what is your client's name?
Your Honor, my client's name is Khalil El Hariri. I have the ticket number and case number if you'd like that.
No, I have it. He has two matters that are scheduled for pretrial today, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, wonderful. Have any other defendants showed up on today? I see Alexander, you need to turn on your video and connect to audio, please. Also, Ariana Adams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make sure you put on her, right?
It's on. I can't start my video.
Okay, she's gonna allow you to start it. All right, very good.
Just to let you know, there are other people, other defendants that are here. They're in the breakout room with Mr. Wazak.
Okay, are you able to let him know that? Or does he
He's
know?
in the breakout. I'm sorry, he is in the breakout room with the defendants.
Right, but can you place these other, Mr. Alexander and Aaron Adams in the breakout room as well?
Yes, Miss Wilson is taking care of that now.
Yes, okay, wonderful.
And I did reach out to Mr. Rosenthal. He said someone will be coming on because he's in 533, so someone will be coming on.
Okay, all right, and then Miss Matt, I didn't
Yes.
see the last person that was just removed, Mr. Alexander. I did not see,
Yes.
I do not see him on my docket. Can you make sure he's scheduled to be with me?
Okay, I sure will.
All right, thank you.
What was his first name, Judge? Sorry.
Ju,
I have it. I'll email it to you.
okay, thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Rosenthal.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, we have attorneys here, and so Ms. Wilson, if you could place the attorneys and Mr. Rosenthal in the breakout room, that would be great. And then Ms. Mack, while they are in the breakout room talking, I'd like to call the remainder of my docket.
Okay, hold on a moment. Let me get ready. Okay, ready?
All right. I have at 1:30 p.m. for Darius Anderson, case number SP 125-18731, scheduled for a pretrial. He has failed to appear. Capias will issue, and that bond is set at $50, cash or surety. For the 1:35 p.m. docket, I have Gregory Adams, SP 124-84002, That is going to be a KPS for Taquan Adams, SP 124-90932, KPS. For Hanan Al Nahadi, SP 125-35373, KPS. For Desmond Alexander, SP 125-3286, counts 1, 2, and 3. All 3 of those for
That
count
was just
1.
two.
Oh, I'm sorry. I did the wrong one. For counts 1 and 2. Count 1 is going to be a KPS. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a driver. KPS will issue, and that bond is set at $50, cash is surety. For Des Marie Allen Regains, SP 124-90873, KPS. For Delton Allen, SP 125-00221, that will be a KPS. For Jada Allen, SP 125-02352, that is a KPS. For Don Vado Alston, case number is SP 125-1892, counts 1, 2, and 3. All 3 matters will be KPS. For Danielle Ambrose, SP 125-1436, counts 1 and 2. Both will be KPS. For Akei Anderson, SP 125-17721, that will be a KPS. For Christopher Anderson, SP 124-4359, counts 2 and 3. Both are KPS. For Lindsay Anderson, SP 125-3513, counts 2 and 3. Both are KPS. For May Anderson, SP 125-32471, KPS. For Leonard Anthony, SP 125-39611, KPS. For Robert Anderson, SP 125-04781, KPS. Charles Applewhite, SP 125-21301, KPS. Brandy Armstrong, SP 125-36641, KPS. Dewan Arrington, U632-62122, KPS. Otto Austin, SP 124-87211, KPS. Kelvin Avant, SP 125-34751, KPS. And Al Hanan Malik, SP 125-35372, that's a KPS. Ms. Attorney Farina, are you ready on your client's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hello there, Gaskin. Good to see you. All right. All right, very good. I'm ready to call your client's case. I have case number SP 123-54241. Counsel, your appearance.
Yes, Your Honor. Roger Farina, P62269, on behalf of Mr. Al Bakhiti. Sir, state your name for the record. Give your name.
I can't hear
A
him.
little louder.
Ahmed Al-Kaiti.
Okay, thank you, counsel. Today is the date scheduled for show cause for improper plates.
Your Honor, we're going to do a motion. There was another ticket, accompanying ticket at the same time. For some reason, I know we
Was
showed
this
up
a
in
civil
both.
infraction?
Yes, it was for careless driving. I would do a motion to take it out of default and schedule in both. And the prosecutor said he should take the safe driving class, which we will do. I have that ticket number if the court would need that.
Well, counsel, I need to know, why didn't your client show up for court originally?
He did. I think it got adjourned for some reason. I'm looking at it because we were both in the last court date, I think in January. I'm not certain why it came off as a default, but the other one was put for show cause. I'm not certain why.
Well, because
Other than we did show
if
up.
it's a civil, yeah, if he didn't show up, the misdemeanor would be a show cause and the civil infraction would be a default judgment. We don't show cause civil infractions.
Oh, I see. I thought we did show up.
No.
Right? I'm just looking through the notices.
All right, so counsel, what is the other case number for the civil infraction?
Yes, Judge. The other one is SP 123-55091.
All right, Ms. Mack, I'm gonna grant the motion and set aside the default judgment. Your client is going to take the driver's course, is that
Yes, Judge.
correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, and so Ms. Mack, on the desk, there is an orange folder that has the slips of where I'm sending folks for the Michigan, for the driver's defensive class.
Yes.
You know what? That's okay. Mr. Farina, I'm allowing you to go through the Michigan drive defenders because I'm not sitting on the bench. I'll allow you to go through there, that have your client take that class, produce that certificate. How quickly can your client get this done?
Within 2 weeks, Judge.
All right, and so I'm going to schedule your client for a pre-trial. That will be for August 3rd, 2022, and it will be at 10:00 a.m. And at that time, your client should have the certificate for the driving class and be ready to go forward, I guess, accepting the people's offer if that's what he chooses to do.
Yes, thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, and both of the matters, the one I set aside the default judgment on, both of these matters will appear on my docket for August 3rd at 10:00 a.m. Okay?
Thank you very much, Judge. Have a good
All
day.
right.
Be safe.
You do the same. Thank you. All right. Attorney Elder, are you ready on your two cases?
Yes, I am, Your Honor. I
All right.
spoke to the prosecutor and
Wait,
he,
Attorney Elder, I'm sorry, where's your client? Because this is a misdemeanor. You can't waive his appearance.
oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I filed an appearance. I did not realize it's a misdemeanor. I can get him on the phone or get him to dial in.
Okay, are you all trying to resolve this issue?
Yeah, we're going to resolve it. I just need to provide proof of sale. And he told me to email it to him the day before our next hearing, and he's going to dismiss the case.
All right, and so are you wanting to set this matter for trial? I'm
For a
not gonna
pretrial,
set it
Your
for
Honor.
another- It's already at pretrial. I'm not gonna set it for another pretrial. Either you'll have to produce the documents or be ready to go to trial.
Okay, I just need to be able to get the prosecutor the documents. So
Okay,
is it possible to just even set it over a week?
No, I'm gonna set it for trial. And if you provide the documents, then
Before
that's
that?
fine. Yes,
Okay.
it's still the same outcome. But it
Okay,
doesn't
that's
go
fine.
down my docket. That's what I'm trying to prevent.
All right, that's fine. Let's, we can set
Okay,
up for trial.
But I need your client to establish what kind of trial they're asking for in the event that this does not get resolved.
Okay, Your Honor.
So you'll have to get your client.
Let me, I'll get him on. I'll be right back.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Anderson, you are going to go to a breakout room. You were scheduled for 1:30. It's 2:00. So I hope you can get service today, okay?
I
So,
appreciate it. Sorry about the delay. It was the Zoom stuff. I couldn't find you. It took
Okay.
me a while.
all right. So Ms. Wilson, if you could send him into the breakout room, that would be great. And then there's someone else. Is that Darius's iPhone? I want to put your last name on there. Give me a second.
Your name Darius Adams or Anderson?
Anderson, Anderson.
All right. Can you send him to a breakout room? Thank you. Yo, stupid.
You're not on mute, ma'am.
Who, Miss Matt?
I think, you're not on mute.
I was on
think
mute.
you're talking. Uh-uh.
I muted you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
And then Miss Mack, in your honor, I did speak with everybody. We should be set. I gotta jump back to 533 if that's all right. But we should be all set with the cases that we have with Mr. Wazak, and then also as well with Mr. Elder's cases.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Mr. Hariri, put your phone on mute. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
It's okay. Council, are we ready?
Yes, we are.
All right, wonderful. I'm going to recall case numbers V 5010071 and V 5010081. Council, your appearance for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Azam Elder appearing on behalf of Mr. Khalil Al-Hariri.
Thank you. And then Mr. Al-Hariri, would you please unmute and state your name for the record?
Khalil M. Al-Hariri.
Thank you, and good afternoon to you, sir. All
Good
right.
afternoon to you also too.
All right, I need you to get in some light so we can make sure we capture your face. It's not enough light. Let's see, that's better. Thank you, sir. All right,
You're
council.
welcome.
Council, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, at this point in time, we would like to set it for a trial. I think we prefer to do a bench trial if that's okay with the court.
Absolutely, absolutely. And your client understands his right to a jury trial, and he's freely and voluntarily and knowingly giving up his right to that jury trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
And he understands
Yes.
that the judge or the court will be determining his guilt or innocence should this matter go to trial. Is that correct? Yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, wonderful. Then I am going to set this matter for trial. Miss Mack, if you could give me a trial date for a counsel, what's better for you? What's today, Wednesday? A Monday, Thursday, or Friday?
Your Honor, I'd like to, I would say Thursday.
A Thursday? All right, Miss Mack, can you do 2 weeks out from Thursday of this week?
Yes, ma'am. That would be August the 4th, Judge. Oh,
Okay.
no. Yes. August the 4th, yes.
All right, August 4th, 2022, and that will be at 11 o'clock a.m. And so, of course, counsel, if you all can get it worked out earlier, you can always dial into the courtroom. I won't have an issue with that at all, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All
Thank you
right,
very much.
wonderful, thank you, and thank you, Mr. Al-Hariri.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, bye-bye. Okay. I have an Ariana Adams that has signed on. I need you to turn on your camera, please. And Ms. Mack, do you see this individual on my docket?
Your Honor, she's supposed to be in 533. I sent her
All
the
right.
Zoom link.
All right, you've already told her more than one time?
No, I just told her once.
Okay, you need to go to 533, ma'am.
Yes, it says that you're supposed to be my judge. That's why I keep logging on.
No, we need you to go to 533, okay?
Okay.
You have the Zoom ID for 533?
Yes, I'm still in the lobby now. I'm on my phone and my computer, but it said that you were supposed to be my judge. That's why I'm confused.
Yes, ma'am, but you're gonna go to 533 first, okay?
Okay, I'm still waiting.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. All right. And so now we're just waiting for the people that are in the breakout room with Mr. Wisnack. Or did we
Yes,
do-
Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, wonderful, thank you.
I am back to let you know that the 3 people I have waiting in the breakout room are ready to go. Oh, Darius. Wait, who's this Darius?
I'm right here. Can
What
you
is
hear
your
me?
last name, sir?
Anderson.
Oh, yes. Yeah, Mr. Anderson and I have not spoken. Can we get him in a breakout room? I'm sorry. Mr. Anderson, we're going to try and take you into a room so that I can talk to you, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. I'm back. Let me try again. Oh.
Okay, is there any particular reason why we're just at a standstill on the 1:30 docket at 2:16?
I know the attorney came out and was ready, and then he didn't speak to one of the defendants, so he went back into the breakout room to speak to that one defendant.
I don't think I could hear you all. 1 second. Did somebody have an answer?
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you now.
Oh, okay. The attorney had came out and said he was ready, and then he realized he hadn't spoken to a defendant, so he went back in to speak to that one defendant.
All right. I'm here.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
Okay. Now I think I've got all 4 people ready to go. Oh. Did Miss Kiera Anderson come back for the afternoon docket?
She did appear, but she's not here right now.
Will she be coming back? Should I get an offer from Mr. Rosenthal?
I'm not sure. She logged in and she's not here anymore.
All right. We'll just hold that one in abeyance then. Thanks.
Miss Anderson, can you put the cigarette out and can you sit up, please?
Who am I missing?
Okay. All right, Mr. Wozniak, we're ready to proceed. Please tell me who's up first.
Your Honor, if we could do Ms. Al-Samawi.
Yes, that's fine. Is she on my docket today?
No, Judge, she is not. She's returning early. to present documents because at the time you set that court date, she was going to be traveling out of the country. And so she's sort of a walk-in, but we've got it resolved.
Okay, did you already talk with the prosecutor?
Yes, I did, Judge.
Wonderful. Can you place the case number on the record for me? And Miss Mack, if you could look her up and add her to my docket for today. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, I'd ask the court to call case number SP 13341169. That's a charge for expired plates. And ticket SP 1306996, count 1. That is a ticket for no proof of insurance.
All right, thank you. Your appearance for the record?
I am Daniel Wazak. My bar number is P35225. Miss Al-Samawi, will you open your microphone and tell the judge your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Faye Ali Al-Samawi.
Thank you, and good afternoon to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
I'm sorry to have stepped on you, Judge. The prosecutor is satisfied that she has provided all appropriate documentation and is willing to dismiss both tickets. If that recommendation has not reached your courtroom, then I will make that representation as an officer of the court.
All right, thank you. Then I am going to dismiss both of the matters without prejudice with a stipulation of probable cause, counsel.
Yes, we do stipulate, Judge.
Wonderful. They are both dismissed without prejudice. Thank you so much for your patience, ma'am. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you so much. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye-bye. All
Bye.
right, who do we have up next?
Ms. May Anderson. May, M-A-E,
Okay,
Anderson.
I need Miss May Anderson to have a seat somewhere. She was doing way too much, so I stopped her video.
All right.
So Miss Anderson, if you're ready and you're seated, I will call your case. Okay. All right, I'm it's the afternoon. Miss Wilson, you work on that for me, and then I'm gonna go to the next case. Mr. Wozniak, who do you have up next?
Judge, we could do Aaron Adams, please.
All right, very good. Come on, Mr. Adams. I have for you several matters. I have first case number SP 124-30201, case number U558-27320, case number SP 114-65691, SP 124-2996, counts 1, 2, and 3. Case number SP 912-5112, case number SP 935-0501, case number SP 991-6401, and case number 19701-9921. Mr. Adams, please state your full name.
Aaron Lamar Adams.
All right, very good. Mr. Wozniak, how are
Good
we
afternoon, Your
proceeding?
Honor. I'm Daniel Wozniak on behalf of Mr. Adams. I spoke with Mr. Rosenthal, and he needs to speak to the officers on one of the tickets. So he and I have discussed setting the matters for trial. My client is willing to waive jury. I've gone over that with him. And that way, Mr. Rosenthal can get the information he needs to make an offer. He was not in a position to make an offer this morning.
All right, that's fine. And so we will set the matter. What type of trial is your client asking or requesting?
A bench trial, Judge. I reviewed his jury rights with him and he's willing to waive that.
All right, and sir, you're waiving your jury trial rights freely, voluntarily, and knowingly?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful. Let's set that bench trial date for August 4th, 2022, and that's going to be at 11 o'clock a.m. Anything else for my consideration?
No, Judge, I just want Mr. Adams to remember it's 11 a.m. that morning, okay?
Mr. Adams, did you get that?
Yeah, I'm writing down now, Your Honor.
Okay, wonderful. We don't want you to miss it. Okay?
August 4th, right?
August 4th. Yes, sir.
Thank you. 11 o'clock.
Good luck, Mr. Adams. You take care. I have nothing further for the court, Judge.
All right, thank you. You are excused, Mr. Adams.
All right, thank you.
All right, take care. All right. Were you
Um,
ready on?
Darius Anderson.
All right, Mr. Anderson, you made it in, right?
Thank you.
All
Yeah.
right. No problem. I'm recalling Mr. Anderson's case, SP 125-18731. Mr. Anderson, state your full name for me, please.
Darius Duran Anderson.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding?
I'm Daniel Wozak on his behalf, Judge. He believes he has an absolute defense to this charge. He would ask the matter be set for trial. He is willing to waive jury. I did review these jury rights with him.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. Are you freely, voluntarily, and knowingly waiving your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Then I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial also on August 4th, 2022 at 11 o'clock a.m. Anything else for my consideration?
Yes, Judge, I would like the court to note that this is a state prosecution, not a city ticket.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Wozniak. Thank you, Mr. Anderson. You are excused.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
You do the same. All right, you still have one client that I'm gonna turn back on her camera again. We're gonna try it again, Mr. Wozniak. Let's try it one more time. All right, come on, Miss Anderson. I'm ready for it. There you are. Thank you, Miss Anderson. Now, I don't see Miss Anderson. Yes, I do. I see her on my docket. I have SP 125-32471. I'm setting aside the capias. Miss Anderson, please state your full name.
May Anderson.
All right. Good afternoon to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding?
Daniel Wozak on behalf of Miss Anderson. Judge, she may have been suspended in error when she received this ticket. She's going to check with the Highland Park District Court. They may not have reported a clearance that they should have to the Secretary of State. Given all of that, she is asking simply for another pre-trial so that Secretary of State and Highland Park District Court can get on the same page. And she's going to take care of that and get names of everybody she talked to.
Okay, so you're asking for another pre-trial date?
Yes, if we could, Judge, there's no need to bring in the officer. Once we get this item straightened out with Highland Park, we should be able to resolve it one way or another.
All right. All right, let's do that. Miss Matt, can you give another pre-trial date, please?
How far out would you like that, Judge?
Next week. No, how long does she need? Let me ask that, Mr. Wozniak. I'm not here next week. That's right.
Yeah, and 2 weeks would be better, Judge.
Okay, let's do 2 weeks.
You want on a Wednesday, Judge, or you want it on a different day?
You can keep it on a Wednesday.
Okay, that would be August the 3rd.
All right, August 3rd, 2022, and we'll set it for, let's set it for 11 o'clock, Miss Matt.
Okay.
Okay,
Excuse me, Judge.
all right. Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible I can have an afternoon one because I have a doctor's appointment that morning?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand you.
Is it possible I can have an afternoon? I have a doctor's appointment that morning.
Okay, I can do it at 1:30. Does that work? Okay, let's
That's
do
fine.
1:30. All right, we'll do 1:30. Thank you. All
Thank
right,
you.
you are excused. Anything else for my
Thank
consideration?
you.
Nothing further from defense, Judge. Thank you.
All right, then we are all set. Miss Mack, did I miss anything?
The only thing, Miss Anderson was supposed to come back. Miss Wilson said she did check in, but she didn't stay. Kiara Anderson from this morning when she had all those cases. So I
Yeah.
don't know what you want to do with her case.
Okay, I had her on for 1:30. It's 2:30 now. I'm not inclined to sit around and wait for her. So, Mr. Wozniak?
Well, Judge, I'm going to submit that she was present this morning. It was only when we discovered additional tickets that it had to be rescheduled. Apparently, she did try to get here this afternoon. Something may have come up. Could we perhaps just notify her of a new pretrial date?
That's fine, I'll do that this time, just on the matter that was on my docket. Please notify her of a pretrial date for in 2 weeks. Yes, in 2 weeks.
Okay. August the 3rd, at what time, Judge?
Let's put her on for, she needs to come in the morning, so let's put her on for 11 o'clock a.m.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, Judge, got it.
all right, wonderful. All right, thank you all. I appreciate you. Have a good rest of the day, and I will see you next go round, Mr. Wozniak.
I hope so, Judge. Let's make it soon.
All right, very good. Thank you, Miss Wilson. Thank you, Miss Mack and Officer Lott. I'm in chambers if you